Hello everyone, I'm Cranio. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to make a Nether Portal without using any obsidian. Also, if you like my videos and you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe. I'll try making more tutorials like this. You can always unsubscribe if you want. Enjoy the video. Okay, so first thing you have to do is go to options, controls and turn on auto jump, because who the heck uses it? I'm just kidding. Okay, so first you have to do is find a lava pool. Then you have to place one block like this. Put water next to this block. Then destroy the block you placed. Then destroy 2 blocks below. Grab some lava. Put it down right like this. Then grab your water. Build 2 blocks like this. And then 1, 2, 3. And then 1 block like this. Then put water on this block, and you can just start placing lava around, just like this. And now you can take your water, and there you go, a Nether portal built without using any obsidian. You don't need a diamond pickaxe, only thing you need is just a water bucket and some blocks. I just spawned in like a really weird place.